Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious shrimp pasta, step by step. First, let's gather our ingredients. You will need about 1 pound of raw shrimp, peeled and deveined, and 8 ounces of your favorite pasta, like linguine or spaghetti. Also, prepare 4 cloves of minced garlic, 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and some fresh parsley for garnish. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a touch of olive oil. Now, let's get cooking. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and cook your 8 ounces of pasta according to package directions until it's al dente. Remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of the starchy pasta water before draining. While the pasta cooks, heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Add your 1 pound of seasoned shrimp and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, just until they turn opaque pink. Remove the shrimp to a separate plate to prevent overcooking. Next, we'll create our flavorful sauce. In the same skillet, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter over medium heat. Add your 4 minced garlic cloves and sauté for about 1 minute until they are fragrant, being careful not to let them brown. You can then add a splash of dry white wine or chicken broth, letting it simmer for about 1 minute to reduce slightly. Finally, stir in about a 1/4 cup of the reserved pasta water and a 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, mixing until smooth. For the grand finale, it's time to bring everything together. Return your cooked pasta and the perfectly cooked shrimp to the skillet with the sauce. Gently toss all the ingredients together, ensuring every strand of pasta and each succulent shrimp is beautifully coated in that delicious garlic butter sauce. To finish, garnish generously with fresh chopped parsley and a bright squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Serve immediately and enjoy your homemade shrimp pasta.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.